I am Devin Royal. I am a project engineer in the engineering department, and I've been working here for about 3 months. What I like most is the culture and the people. If you have any questions or concerns, anybody's willing to help. When I'm designing a machine or something to implement into the foundry, I need to take accountability in that design and ensure that it is safe for all employees. Originally, I started my career here at McWane as a college student. I started as a mechanical engineering co-op in the co-op program here, and that has led me to my position as a project engineer today. The word that I would choose is proactive. McWane constantly tries to improve the processes to be the best in the industry.